Theme 7 Ambition. Activity 7.1.a. Read the passage carefully. India is my country. Karnataka is one of the states in India. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. Bengaluru has many beautiful gardens, parks, and many historical places. People in Bengaluru speak many languages. All the roads in Bengaluru have big trees on both the sides. It is warm in summer and cold in winter. It is good place to live. Another city in Karnataka which has many palaces in Mysuru. Mysuru is also known for many rivers that flow through it. Kaveri, Kabini, Kapila, Harangi are some of these rivers. It is also known as a green and clean city. People also like it. Activity 7.1.1b. Answer the questions below. Name the cities mentioned in the paragraph. Bengaluru, Mysuru. Which state are these cities located in? Karnataka. Do the roads in Bengaluru have shadow of trees? Yes, all the roads in Bengaluru have big trees on both the sides. What is the climate like in Bengaluru? It is warm in summer and cold in winter. Do the people in Bengaluru speak only one language? People in Bengaluru speak many languages. Sixth one, streets of Mysuru are clean. True. True. Mysuru is known as Garden City. False. Who is the author? The author is Meghana Government Higher Primary School, Somarpet. Now name the following buildings and write where they are located. Fifth class, Kalika Balavardhane. English. Mysuru Palace. This is located in Mysuru. Vidhana Saudha. This is located in Bengaluru. Activity 7.2.1 Rhyme Time. It's fun to be this. It's fun to be this. It's fun to be that. To leap like a lamb. To climb like a cat. To hop like a frog. To swim like a fish. To trot like a horse. To fly like a bird. I can act and copy them all, but none of them can copy me at all. Activity 7.2.2 Pick and speak. Pick a chit from the box and talk few sentences on it. Example, if I have a pair of wings, I would fly up in the sky. I would fly all around the world. I would sit on the trees and eat the fruits I want, etc. Activity 7.2.3 Match the instructions. Do not board the train. If it is raining, do not board the train. First one. If you do not have a ticket. If it is raining. Second one. Do not go out without an umbrella. Like this, we match the column A and column B. Activity 7.2.4. Write the above instructions or advices in complete form. First one, if you do not have a ticket, do not board the train. Second one, if it is raining, do not go out without an umbrella. Third one, if you had wings, you could fly across the world. Fourth one, do not enter the house with your shoes on. Fifth one, if you study well, you will get good marks. Sixth one, if you have a cough, do not eat ice cream. Seventh one, serve the tree only after cooling it. Activity 7.3.1. Look at the pictures and write a story based on the pictures. Once in a jungle, the rabbits live happily. A tiger wanted to attack them. Then an elephant came to save the small rabbits. The tiger, frightened, to see an elephant. An elephant poured water on tiger and the tiger ran away. Then rabbits and the elephant live happily in jungle. Activity 7.3.2. Look at these pictures, order these pictures and create a story out of them. Once there was a boy, he saw a small bird on a road. He took it and take it to his home and put it into a cage and give or feed it grains and water. He saw that the small bird was not happy. Why he think about it? He saw from window many birds fly outside happily. Then the boy understood that the small bird which was in the cage was also wanted to fly outside. It also want freedom. So the boy took or let go outside or fly outside the small bird. The small bird fly away happily outside. Activity 7.3.3, read the beginning and ending of the story and add the middle part of the story and read it to the class. One day a man found a pot of gold coins. I must hide it, otherwise someone will steal it from me. He thought, so he hid the pot of gold under a tree. He hid it so well that he forgot where it was. Then one day an old lady was sitting under the tree and saw the pot of gold. I must hide it, otherwise someone will steal it from me, she thought. So she also hid it in the cave. Then one day a monkey went under the cave and saw the pot of gold. It can't understand what it is. The monkey take the pot and hide on tree. The bird saw it and take it. The bird flew into the sky with the pot. Like this, the passage ends. Theme 8, Bravery. Activity 8.1.1a, read the following passage carefully. It was a Saturday when I went to the market with my father. It was evening and was crowded with people who were selling different things such as fruits, vegetables, pretty toys, very tasty toffees and bangles. I want my father to buy me a toy. In the beginning he refused, but after some time he went to buy one. When he wanted to pay for it, he found his purse missing. Immediately we complained to the police standing there. The police showed a purse to my father and said, "Is this your purse, sir?" It was my father's purse. The police said that a young boy had found it on the road, had given to him and asked him to give it to its owner. Like this, the passage was. Now answer the following questions. State if the following statements are true or false. The police was helpful. True. The boy was honest. True. The market did not have any people. False. The boy missed his money. False. The father got all the things he had kept in his purse. True. How many people are mentioned in the passage? 9 people. What did the speaker want to buy? The speaker wanted to buy a toy. Describe the market scene. Market was crowded with people who were selling different things such as fruits, vegetables, pretty toys, very tasty toffees and bangles. Activity 8.2.1, chit chat. Bring some empty packets, wrappers of chocolates, soaps, toothpaste, shampoo, juice bags, bottles, etc. This is Choco candy. It costs 50 paise. It was manufactured on Tolu 2023. Activity 8.2.2, poster creating. Read this poster. Let's create our own poster on our school admission like this. Activity 8.3.1 My Festivals. Talk about your favorite festival in front of the class. My favorite festival is Deepavali because I crack crackers and lights bring us happiness. Activity 8.3.2 Now about greetings. Look at these greetings, write the occasions when we use them. First one is New Year celebration, second one is on Sankranti festival. Third one is Eid Milad. Fourth one is on Christmas festival. Activity 8.3.3 Greet and meet. Create a greeting card for your friend wishing him or her Friendship Day greetings. Use materials like pencil, shavings, grass, flowers, dry leaves, and paste here with wishes or greetings. Activity 8.3.4 Greeting for my teacher. Read the given quotes, choose anyone, create a greeting card for your teacher on Teacher's Day. Decorate it with your drawings and art. You are my best teacher. Happy Teacher's Day. The teacher is the nation builder. Happy Teacher's Day. You have showed me a path. Happy Teacher's Day. The teacher is the nation builder. Happy Teacher's Day. Like this, you select any one of this and make a card.